Fix can't change power plan settings in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Power Troubleshooter. We recommend starting with a built-in troubleshooter that's designed to fix issues related to the computer's power settings. Fix 2. Update your graphics drivers. There are several ways you can update your drivers. You can start by applying all the main and optional updates using the Windows Update feature. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Use group policy to change power plan. Select Enabled. Under Options, click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred power plan, e.g., High Performance. Click Apply and OK. Fix 4. Reset power plan. You can restore your power plan settings to default using the elevated command prompt. Fix 5. Check for system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.